¿Qué dice mi gente? Aquí andamos otra vez en otra aventura de pesca con el Valley Angler. Que este va a ser un two-part video. Pues, la primera parte va a ser una pesca que tuvimos ahí en el Fin and Feather con el compa Nick. La segunda parte va a ser el Bird Hall Show de 2023 en Long Beach, California. Que venimos a ver aquí toda la convención de pesca que hay en el sur de California. Y esperamos encontrarnos ahí con muchos amigos. We want to send a big shout out to Esteban from Golden State Fishing for inviting the Valley Angler. And we appreciate you, brother. We appreciate, your products. We use them for trout fishing, and it's a good company, local company from Southern California, Golden State Fishing. Ahí para que los vayan a chequear, mi gente. So, muchas gracias ahí por suscribirse al canal del Valley Angler, que ya saben que le gusta la pesca y es adicto al chavo. Y pues como les digo, ahí le vamos a dejar este intro para la aventura de pesca ahí en el Fin y el Bird Hall Show 2023. So, saludos mi gente y nos vemos en un ratito. Quiera. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, right away. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, G.
Hell yeah, thank you, bro. Oh, shit.
Oh, hold on. Get this shit. Hell yeah.
What was that like? I forgot to put my timer. I don't even know how long that was.
It was probably like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Not even like
5 minutes. Pink mice still?
I think my stuff.
Damn. Gotta change. Was it close or far?
It wasn't that far.
it was like midway.
Yeah, it was like middle. Before the pole.
Hell yeah.
Right away.
Did it swallow it?
No, it's right there.
Picture.
I know, me too. I seen that shit.
Stop cussing. Está buena.
I can see him. He's one over there. Oh, they have him over there. There you go.
Yeah.
It's under now. Up top.
Turn sideways.
No, ya agarró dos el compa. Like he got one like 5 minutes when we got here.
Hello.
How you doing, man? Hell yeah, dog. I got it.
Oh yeah, it's a chunkier.
Ese está bueno, bro. Hell yeah. And the same mice still?
Yeah, I literally just read through it.
Hell yeah, dog. Hell yeah, está chingón, doggy. That one's better than the last one.
Yeah, if you just short leader.
Yup.
Like a foot and a half.
So they're okay. They're not too far up then. I know we were using last week like 4.5, 2 feet. I'm like.
I'm looking at jigging right now, but yeah.
That one.
Yep. Ahí está.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, I'll move this one.
Damn, I was about to.
Ya me estaba durmiendo.
My bad, G.
It's all good. Mice tell me what?
Yeah.
Pink one, huh?
I think he came off.
No, you're just coming this way. You still got it.
Yeah.
You're just coming this way. Nice.
Yeah.
The fucking white one. And I threw it like that.
Yeah, está bien. It's a good one, mijo.
Drop it. Thank you.
Let me get my phone, mijo.
It's in my pocket.
Let me get it before you.
2 feet.
Hell yeah, that's too. ¿Con qué, mijo?
Oh shit.
Meister.
Pink Meister.
Pink Meister, nice. Oh yeah.
I gotta get back. Gotta put a selfie.
Come on, Andrew, let's go check out Turner's.
Let's go buy me
I
California.
see a lot of people getting Daiwa.
So the guy from
So what's up, Andrew? California it is? No? Phoenix? ¿Cuál quieres, Andrew? ¿Cuál quieres? ¿Cuál quieres? ¿Te la llevas? Mira, tienen blanks ahí también. Ahí anda el Valley Angler. Good baits. La trucha. That's it. They got more gold, more gold. Llégale, la mom del Valley Angler. Hey, these are pretty cool. Ahí está. We're at Bob Sands Tackle in San Fernando Valley. Aquí anda.
I don't think they have trout rods.
Oh, they're right here.
Oh, they're Mirage.
Sí, no la tienen.
¿Me lo compras?
No, no. No. A ver, ¿cuánto cuesta el bici?
200.
200.
¿Cuánto cuestan las chilumes?
It's $3.45. ¿Ya? Hold on. Dice la mamá del Valley Angler que she found my twin on a picture right there. Does he look like me? Does he look like me? She said he looks like me. I don't see the resemblance, but I think I'm way better looking than him. Y continuamos. Aquí con el compa Valley Angler. Ya compré una caña. Y varias cosillas ahí. Estamos al Golden State Booth. Oh, ¿la agarramos, Andrew? Fishing Syndicate. Just cop this one. It's a pura pesca. Supporting our locals right here. Got good stuff. Just got hooked up right there. Nice come up, Andrew.
Nice come up, 2,000.
Oh yeah. All water. Look, Andrew, esos también. Those are like our tunas. Tuna jigs. Tengo como agarrar una de estas. ¿Cuál motor quieres, Andrew? ¿Quieres ese? Dice para el barquito, para que esté. Dice. Ahí vamos. Ahorita vamos para allá, mijo. Los barcos también. Anda bien desesperado. More deals.
These are
Oh,
nice.
those look cool. Entire, it says 50% off. So whatever the price says, it's 50% off. Yeah, what the Valley Angler. I think I see the booth. Where we at, Andrew?
Right here, seminar.
Seminar at Golden State. Let me see that.
Insurance.
Insurance. Oh yeah.
Bart, he's one of the first guys to throw mini jigs, like crappie jigs. If you guys have seen those everywhere, I'm sure. He started the one like to throw those solely with just with ultralight rods, and we're basically for jigging. We call it jigging because of the motion you make. You're basically bouncing the tip as you're reeling really slow. Right now, mini jigs are working a lot more because drop shot's really good, but you want to take your time, obviously, with drop shot, so you're going really slow. So each cast might take you 5 to 10 minutes to get in if you're doing it right, because the slower you go, the better. Basically, with drop shot, mini jigging, you're constantly casting a lot, so you're combing a lot more water. So if it is clear, you definitely want a mini jig or jigging minnow or anything like that. That's what we have a booth over here, 604. So after this is over, if you guys want to go over there and check out the baits, we got everything you guys need for fishing. We do a lot of fishing in Southern California, the Eastern Sierra, and also Utah, Pyramid Lake, all the good spots. So anywhere there's trout, we're gonna go there or been there. You know what I mean? Some of these rods, this reel right here retails for around $500. But yeah, like I said, it just the two paired together, I think it only weighs about 7.5 ounces. So I mean, the two together, it's nothing. It's like a feather. So when you're out there jigging all day up in the Sierras or anything like that, you mean it doesn't tire out your wrist. Super sensitive. That's another thing. Great thing about our rods being all 100% graphite. I mean, the fish even that, and I usually use a braid. You don't have to use braid, but we use braid usually. Phoenix braid makes a good one.
Allá va la Valley. Vámonos. So, ¿cómo estuvo, Andrew? ¿Te gustó?
Yeah.
¿Te gustó, mamá? ¿Cuál barco nos vamos a llevar? ¿Cuál barco? ¿Cuál barco? ¿Cuál quieres? ¿Estuvo chingón?
Chess.
You got a bunch of stuff?
Sold.
Sold, yup. How much is it? No, ya le quitaron el price. Mira. Vámonos, vámonos para Castig con este. Vámonos. Castig. Let's go, Andrew. Pyramid.
This rope?
Fin.
We won't even make it up the hill.
Oh, snap. Ni entra en el... So, ¿qué dice mi gente? Esto va a ser un conclusion video del bird haul ahí que tuvimos ahora. La verdad, nos encontramos con muchos amigos de la pesca. Le queremos mandar un saludo al compa AC, a Mike from Nail and Baits. También le queremos mandar un saludo al compa Adrian, que acaba de ganar el tournament ahí en Santa Ana. Ahí nos lo encontramos. Y también want to send another big shout out to Esteban from Golden State Fishing for inviting Mr. Valley Angler. You know, it's a good convention. We got a bunch of stuff. We got a fishing rod ahí for Valley Angler. We got a bunch of baits, you know, and we got something, you know, for everybody. Even the wifey got something. She's right there. So everybody's happy, you know. It was a good convention. Y se le agradece mi gente por todo el apoyo al Valley Angler. Y, you know, hopefully we do it again next year. We didn't go to a PCS show, so we came over here. So thank you, mi gente, por suscribirse al canal y se le agradece todo el apoyo.
Desde Long Beach, California. Peace!